the tension is palpable as this fight gets underway, and it's gonna be interesting to see how this matchup plays out. Definite striker on one side against another guy who can really do it all.
And in those situations, normally the guy that's more well-rounded will be the one that will find success. I want to see how this plays out.
Oh, nice connection with that punch. It's one thing to have an edge and reach. It's another to take advantage. Nicely done.
That's a big strike right there.
Trying to establish that jab once again. Much improved defensively as he blocks the shot. Oh, huge right hand!
What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment.
Left punch is true, now the right hand.
Beautiful punch.
So both guys landing at will here. Good action early. Oh, tags him with the left.
That left hand has been really effective tonight.
Big power shot there. Continues to mix it up, going to the head, mixing in some body shots.
Powerful leg kick lands.
Punch coming, it's blocked. Oh, like the thought there. Good attempt at a counter. Ultimately, it's no good.
Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
Both fighters exchange in the pocket here. Oh, nice connection by him there with the right hand.
The right hand is the dominant hand, and you can see how well he throws it. He's throwing bombs. Every time they come into contact, he is throwing bombs. Look at him whip his hip into that kick. Serve him up. Go get him.
Oh, he might be out. Oh! Big knee there. Oh, he lands a huge kick here. Oh, straight right. Try to establish that jab. And he connects there, DC.
Great job landing that punch.
Strong defense here as the hook to the head is blocked.
Look at him working at trying to shut the liver down.
Mixes it up nicely in terms of staying heavy and also staying active. Unable to land with that punch. Well, no problem getting inside to land that straight punch. He's got a huge edge and reach, and he made good use of it there. Joy gets hit by that leg kick. May not be a bad idea to start to check some of these. Right punches there. Oh, just out of range with that right hand. Oh, he lands another strike to the body, really starting to connect on a lot of shots to the midsection. And connection by him there.
He needs to get on his bicycle, John. He needs to get into space so that he doesn't get finished.
Whiffs on that offering. Joy gets hit by that kick to the body. Tags him with the left hand. Wow, what a kick. Huge kick lands.
What a punch.
Oh, lands there, and somehow his opponent's chin held up.
His opponent's chin held up, but you do not want to be on the receiving end of those types of strikes.
Oh, an educated jab there. I can watch this dude jab all day.
I mean, he's so light on his feet, and when he pops that jab, it comes right back to his face. Oh, he hurt him bad with a jab.
Just missed with the left there. Oh, beautiful jab by him there. Got that to the target quickly.
He's dictating the fight with a jab.
Oh, spinning back fist. The horn sounds for the end of round one.
Nice work. Nobody's taking that guy like you did before. You need to keep doing that.
All right, so there's the horn signifying the end of the round. We had a knockdown there, but not a knockout.
No, it wasn't a knockout, but you can't take those shots. That big punch landed, and it sat him down. If he gets hit with another one of those, it might be good night, Irene.
You ready to fight? Ready.
Liver kick, if you take those kicks, it's going to shut your body off. Look at the force behind that leg kick. Big punch lands over the top. How's he going to follow this one up?
How about that shin? Just misses with the jab. All right, well, he's landed some good shots tonight, but there's no three-piece, there's no soda. More often than not, it's one and done.
He's not even getting a combination. I mean, if you're gonna sit there at the drive-thru, order a combination, take the soda with your food, give him the right hand behind the jab, give him the hook behind the right hand, jab.
That's as big a strike as he has landed thus far tonight.
Big, massive shot lands. Look at how tough his opponent is, though. Still standing, still in their fight.
Trying to stay in this fight. And they separate.
That right hand hurt him a little bit.
He missed with that jab attempt there. Choi gets caught with that punch. He'd be wise to get those hands up.
Yes, they hurt him in the last round. Same exact one.
Back to the left hand now. Unable to connect. All right, single collar tie now. Oh!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
All right, so inside the open guard of his opponent. You got to be careful playing around for too long here on the ground with this guy. Working off of his back here. Looks like he may try to hip escape. Closed guard here. He's very comfortable here working off of his back, DC. Oh, he is up, but man, is low!
Look at that. Long trouble. It's over. It's over. It's over. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. What a fight.
Beautiful shot to end the fight right there. It couldn't have landed much more flush than it did, and I'm not even sure the opponent saw it coming, quite frankly. So, near perfect execution on the strike that ultimately results in the KO here tonight. So there he is after a monumental knockout turned in here tonight.